Many seniors love to marinate meat for extra flavor. SAD, maybe using barbecue sauce, teriyaki soy sauce, or bottled garlic blends. But here's the truth. Most store-bought marinades contain high sodium added sugars, preservatives, and artificial colors, SCACAs ingredients that can quietly damage your health after 60. 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce can carry up to 700 milligrams of sodium. That's nearly a third of your entire day's safe intake, and most people use 2 or 3 times that amount per meal. BBQ sauce is often loaded with high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, and sodium benzoate PRCO, additives linked to blood sugar spikes, gut irritation, and even brain inflammation in older adults. Another hidden danger. Many commercial marinades use phosphates to tenderize meat. These are absorbed faster than natural phosphorus and can harm bone density, especially in seniors with osteopenia or osteoporosis. High phosphate levels have also been linked to vascular calcification, SOHC, meaning your arteries slowly harden, increasing the risk of heart disease. Plus, many natural marinades include concentrated apple juice or maltodextrin, which can raise insulin and promote fatigue. And if you're already seasoning processed meat like rotisserie chicken, you're stacking sodium dangerously high, ESCD often above 2,000 milligrams per day. Instead, flavor meat with safer options: lemon juice, garlic, rosemary, turmeric, thyme, or ginger. These spices reduce inflammation while supporting brain and heart health. Up next, we'll expose the biggest meat myth still misleading millions: IOS. That white meat is always safer than red. But is that true after 60? Let's find out.